Traders, hello, and I hope everyone had a great week. It's 10 a.m. Saturday morning here. I just want to have a weekly little wrap up of how the chart's finished and how I plan to approach things next week, and also a little bit of analysis as well. I probably won't do too much analysis because I've only been in the one trade since my last update video. So that was obviously the USD yen because I was closed out on the 27th. Yeah, so I was closed out on the USD CAD a couple of weeks ago. That would have been a Wednesday as well. So no real need to review that too extensively. And yeah, look, so the USD yen was open for, that would have been around 12 days. I closed that out last night, and I just want to go over a few things about this trade. So I got in here pretty much with the thumb is just to indicate that bar hadn't printed, obviously, that candlestick, and I got in just on the highs here, triggered. And the main reason why I closed out, and this is just key, is just its tendency to retrace a lot. So I saw this and I was happy to take a little bit of profit. I got a new laptop and I'm just updating things. It's finally updated Windows 10, so that is fantastic. Yeah, so I think that's enough touching on the USD yen and why I did close that out early. And sometimes what happens, you close out and it will take off, but for me, I just, there was too much waiting around. I just, needed to be out of that position. Euro, US dollar. Look, this is good. So if this can hold sideways along this grey line here, around the 117s, and then retrace on the Tuesday. So I won't take a trade Monday as well. And there's never really any good setups on Monday. So that's what I find anyway. That's just personal experience. Look at the pound. Wowee. Down she goes now. It's gone so quickly. The 55 hasn't really caught up with the 200 day. But I saw Darren had like a 10-1 trade on this. So very impressive. I'm just going to... Okay, let that work itself out. Yeah, so Euro US dollar is a possibility. Again, I need some more information. Aussie dollar. How did the Aussie dollar end up? Yeah, wow. So this is the potential sell here. Aussie dollar. I don't think I have USD CAD is the main. Look at that. How fast is off the trend line? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 failed, 6. Ridiculous. Yeah, so I guess I could probably play this one because I didn't want to get a 1% position on the USD CAD and still have my USD yen because I didn't want to be too exposed to US dollar weakness, so I'd be vulnerable there and I wouldn't be effectively hedging my position at all. I'd be relying upon the US dollar to strengthen, which is it was hard to tell before NFP and the news releases. Alright guys, what I'll do here now is I'll wrap things up. I'll finish, what will I finish on? Let's finish on the Euro US dollar. Alright. So this is a potential player. It'll have to get really below 116760 before, just highlighted here, before I entertain a sell trade, sorry. Now, I just like to, look, on the daily, it's still very sideways. So it's always helpful to have, a bit of a wider perspective on things as well. 4 hours downtrending effectively enough though for me to entertain shorting this one. I'm going to conclude things now, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and I hope you had a good trading week as well. Bye.